CMZTrades here, going live once again, folks. We are getting right into it. I want to see, a lot of my streams are hour and a half, 2 hours long, for one trade. And I think a lot of it is, a lot of it can be cut out. Well, let's say it this way. It's been some in-depth commentary to really put you, give myself and viewers the thought by thought process that's going on here. A lot of it too has been me trying to battle. I'm battling it out between TradeZella and TradingView, trying to keep these two charts synchronized. And once I go live for real and I'm trading real money, I am going to go with the prop firm that syncs with TradeZella. Every trade will just sync with TradeZella, and it's a prop firm that I can integrate. It's already got a plug-in to integrate with TradingView. So that's what I want. And then that way I only got to trade right here in TradingView, and we can look at all the candles on each chart, the high time frames, mid time frames. We don't have to hide the candles, and it's just going to be great. But let's get right into it. This was the last episode, which was episode 13. This is episode 14 in the 100 trade backtesting challenge. We are trading NQ, that is the Nasdaq, and in this episode, season 2, episode 14, we're picking up where we left off. Now we're going to have to do some fast forwarding. We caught this bull flag and we took this trade. I mean, beautiful. Probably one of my top 5 trades. So let's decide, what are we going to do now? I think last stream we said that we would basically sleep from midnight till about 5 o'clock, 5:15, get up and trade the New York session. So let's do that. New York session. We're simulating here, folks. We're going to get up at 5 and then get to the charts by 5:15 with our coffee in hand. And that's just how it's going to go down. All right, I'm getting that bug with TradingView. I'm going to have to refresh here. And then we're going to go to November 20th, 2024, 5 a.m. Okay. This is live right now, right here, right now. Wednesday, September 3rd, 5:40 on the 5-minute. Let's look at a 30-second. She's not really moving, is she? The markets are open, so... Oh, there we go. Yeah, she's got a pulse. All right, look at it. Sticking to this is a spider line from over a year ago. It's still getting respect. Look at that. Okay. November 20th, folks. November 20th. Wednesday, 5 a.m. November 20th. Here we go. Replay. What is going on here? Please make it make sense. What is the problem? I can't go back. Oh, because I'm on the 30-second chart. It doesn't, you got to be careful with that. It won't let you. Here we go. November 20th, 5 a.m. Really 5:15. Boom, here we are. So we took this trade here. I think that's the one. Is that it? Oh, look, we're on gold. This thing trips me up all the time. NQ. Here we go. There we go. Yeah, we took this trade. Here's our bullish flag. Flagpole. Boom. We traded this breakout. Beautiful. All right. Then we went. Oh man, she cracked down on us. And here we are going into the New York session. Right? Am I tripping? Like this, I was actually thinking about this today. What time are the different? Here we go. It is not answering my question. What's that say? Asia, roughly 3 p.m. to midnight. I got 4 p.m. to 1 a.m. Why is I got this one right? Midnight to 9. That's what I got for London. New York, 5 a.m. to 2 p.m. I got 5:30 to 2 p.m. Why do I have 5:30? London's the most active session? Really? I thought New York was the most active session. I got to update this, folks. I got 4 p.m., but it starts at 3 p.m. I got 5:30, and it's saying 5. I did get this one right. Okay, we're close enough. We're close enough, folks. We're close. I mean, we want to be accurate, but I've been close enough. But now I'm dialed in. Okay. So what's been happening here? First of all, 5:15 a.m. Let's get caught up here. And let's get some music on. Up against a lot of resistance here, a lot of resistance. This candle dumped with a strong wick. And even if it got above that, it's back here. Resistance, resistance, resistance. Could we get more resistance? Isn't it interesting pattern here? Okay.
Why'd you like it feel this pain? It's like I'm going for insane. It's nothing left to say. It is time, let it be. Away from me, away from me. It's always you.
Maybe get a triple top crown going here. Let's see what MarketCipher has to say. Little bit of red, green. Little bit of red, green. It's time for a little bit of red. Six hour. Ooh, look at that 4 hour trigger. After this huge dump, then we get a beautiful 4 hour trigger wave. Look how gorgeous that is. From 3 a.m. to 7 a.m. And it's only 5. Wow. This could be the trade of the day. Two hours following in behind, bearish. Of course, the money flow is kind of gorgeous. Maybe Wednesday at midnight, she comes back up. Yeah. Yeah, she could. Be a real tight trigger wave here. Comes down. What is this? This is supposed to be on the 2 hour. You know, one or two things. Could be a little tight. You know, she could be coming out like that, or she could be coming up like this. We shall see. I should have been doing this all along, though. Hey. Let's delete those. All right, here we go. I mean, 2 hours coming down as of right now. So, you know, 1 hour, little bull on it. Look at that 40-minute trigger. I don't know, though. I mean, I think she can get yanked right back down. That looks good. 24. So high time frames to high going down to mid is bearish. Once we get into the mid to low, she's got a little bull on her. Is open right now. 10's clipping. She's been in the red. RSI is red. Five. Folks, I just need this 15. I need this 15 to come around. This 1 hour is not, I mean, she looks good, but I think the pump, I think we've seen it. I think this was it. And then now, question is, does she clean up when you know, sweep work, a little sweep work under here, pumped back up? Bulls think they got something, huh? Pump, lag, pump, dump on them, trying to go for it again. You know what I mean? What do I need to see here? What do I need to see here to be a believer? Tell you what, I'm not long at anything below here. She's gonna have to close some candles up here, and I don't think she can do it. Not with that 4 hour trigger wave. So if I'm looking for a short, I need my 15-minute to come around. So I'm gonna set an alert. Man, 15 is kind of inwardly curved ever so slightly. I'll have an alert that lets me know when my 15 crosses over and gets a red dot. You can do that. And I'm just going to fast forward. I want to watch my 15 here. Okay, 15's clipping there. Don't get ahead of me now, 15. Come on now. Come on now. So we got 1, 2, 3. That's a 15. And we're closing below this green line. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Could be a $1,600 risk. All right, I might go for this short, folks. I mean, I got to call it like I see it. 1 hour's got some juice. 2 hours dumping. You already know the 4 hour. 15 is locked and loaded. Confirmed already. I did not fast forward that much. Goodness gracious. I would have shorted on the red dot. That's all I wanted. Dang. These people trying to sweat me out now. Now, do I want to short this bottom? Is this thing a mess around and come down here? Wham! That'd be upsetting. But you know what? Yeah, because that 1 hour's got that juice. I need my lower time frames to really be confident about this. Look at that local bottom on the 1. See what happens. They can get a little pump in it. I mean, we like this though. Look at this. You know, I think she'll come back up. Let's go ahead and watch that. So I think I'm going to take this short. I mean, we're not asking for too much. Even if I could get, I'm going to take profit like here. You know. I mean, I'm calling it like I see it, folks. Calling it like I see it. The 1 hour. The 1 hour's got more juice than I need. Can the 40 help me out here? Thank you, 40. My 15 locked. 5 locked. The 1 minute. Could be better, could be catching. Well, you know, we got the VWAP here. She could come on down. Inwardly curved. Folks, I'm going short. Something like that. Where are we at? 5:45 a.m. Hey, we found a trade within a half hour. Look, couldn't close above that. 797.50. There it is. $8.17. Yeah, that's where we're at. Let's do $8.18. And you know, TP1, mark it out. $760.25. Talk to him. Let's get these screenshots. Five-minute check. $15. $15 locked. 40. Locked. 2 hour. You know, we're going to capture this 4 hour too because it's so crazy. Actually, I'm going to keep all that there. Four hour. Boom. Back to the 5. Back testing. There we go. Trade notes. Okay, you see a potential word. Typing with 2 right hands over here. Let's see. What else we got? Four hour has a bearish trigger after a huge anchor. Two-hour aligns, 40-minute bearish trigger, 15 already making its move aligned, 5-minute moving aligned. Let's do it. Folks, I don't know, but I think I'm getting faster at this. I think I'm getting faster. I mean, yes, money flow is kicking up. This is on the 2-hour. Things take time to play out. I mean, look at this. Everything we see here is from the 13th to the 20th. This is a whole week of data. Okay. Right now, split RSIs, red dot confirmed. Money flow has been going up, but you can see here is curving back down along with the VWAP. It's pushing down with that 4-hour trigger wave. So we're not going to let this money flow deter us. Look at that trigger wave, folks. Beautiful trigger wave. RSI is high and tight. So, I mean, there's a chance she could just flip on us. But 15 is saying, hey, look, we got potential to head down here. RSIs are strong, pointing down. And our 5 minutes already taken off. We have to be careful with this. It could just be a bunch of sideways chopped suey. But folks, we are rooting for the bears. What is going on right now? I'm sitting here deleting. One shortcut does something else for the... Goodness gracious, man. What is going on? Lord have mercy. Look at this. Okay. I gotta be careful about that. All right. Yeah, we're rooting for the bears here, folks. Now, tags. I'm confident here. I'm peaceful. I'm content. Spoke to me. That's the feeling we want to have here. I think from the high on down, we're aligned. We're coming off this trend line for a triple crown. And our stop loss is not, it's behind a 15-minute candle, which is the minimum for a defense. So I guess it is defensive, but it's not maximum defense by any means. This is looking like a pretty good trade, folks. And I think we are ready to play it out. Since we visited the higher time frames, the 5 minutes already making a move. It looks like. Can she continue in our direction? Let's take it minute by minute here. We're looking at the 3 minute. Looking for her to push down in a very strong way. Now, low key, we did talk about taking profits here. I'll tell you what. But then we made another choice. You know what? Let's watch this 5 minute. That's a strong 5 minute candle. Looking for her to continue here. Let's go. Let's go, folks. Now, on the 1 minute, I would have taken profit here. 6:20 a.m. Okay. Let's follow along on the 1 minute. And we went right into profit, folks, and just did not look back. I mean, we got in at 5:45. So we're about a half hour into this trade. Boom. So a half hour in, and we were able to take profit here. Well, actually, it's been about 40 minutes, 35 minutes. All right. Good. Let's take profit. Look, I'm not even thinking about it. Notice how I don't even think about it anymore. I'm not saying, well, let me look at MarketCipher. Nope. We set our take profit. We hit it. And so guess what? We take profit. End of discussion. End of discussion. We take profit at key zones. We take profit after strong moves, and we take profit whenever it feels like a good idea. And folks, we hit this area here. She could just bounce right back right now, and in the next candle. So, we are taking some profit here, folks. We're taking some profit. End of discussion. There was no discussion. It's just, we take profit, period. We're buying back one contract of the two that we're in because we're shorting. And just like that, we took some profit, folks. Now, what are we going to do about this stop loss? We hide behind 15-minute candles. So we could go here, guarantee another 430. We could take it here, give it some room to breathe, be another $80. Now this is where I will have a little look at MarketCipher. We're in the red big time. Oh, look at this 1 minute, by the way. Look at the prediction. We were right here. I predicted come down, and just keep coming down like that. And look at that. Well, when I say I predicted, MarketCipher did. MarketCipher, folks. You learn MarketCipher, you build a trading plan, and you develop the discipline to consistently trade your trading plan. MarketCipher is your guide. The trading plan is your creed. The millionaire etiquette. I will take profit at key zones, take profit at strong moves, take profit whenever it feels like a good idea. Look at these rules. Trade 31, trade 37, trade 40. We were building out season 2, trade 9, or technically trade 52. We're building out the trading plan. We haven't made a new rule in quite some time, in several episodes, because it's starting to perfect itself. We just have to follow it. All right. Now, with that being said, let's take a look here. Look at this. 5 minute potentially could hook here. That's pretty deep. So we could see her clip in and then maybe come down some more. But you know, let's look at the 15. I think the 15's got some room to go, folks. 6:15 a.m. Watch this 1 hour. Exactly. 1 hour couldn't hang. Remember we said, ooh, the 1 hour, this, that, and the other? Nah. Get down there. 2 hours bearish. Yep. And look at this 4 hour. Just getting started, folks. Just getting started. You know what that means? That means I'm setting it behind this 15-minute candle. If she wants to come back for me, let her come. I think we're going lower, and I'm willing to risk that. And you know, we captured some profits, so you know what you want from me. 794.25 is our new stop loss. 794.25. 794. So she's gonna have to come get us if she wants us. How much lower can she go? I don't know. But we're waiting on MarketCipher to give us some exit criteria. Exit criteria would be, you know, if this 5 minute comes back a little too confident, and then that 15-minute green dots on us, and it hasn't stopped us out yet, that we might have to just take profit at that point. But let's continue to see what she's gonna do. All right, we're dropping even heavier. Goodness gracious. Goodness gracious, folks. You know what that means. You know what that means. Hold on a second. Let me put on one of my favorite. Yeah, it's like that right now, folks. It's like that. Where are we at? 6:39 a.m. 6:39 a.m. We got in this trade 5 foot, so it's been about an hour, right? Yeah, almost just short of an hour. So where we at? 6:39. 6:39. Boy, hey, look, this New York session. Oh, I'm excited because I'm trying to contain it, and it ain't got much to do with this trade. It just has, well, it does, but it's what this could mean, folks. It could mean that I've been trying too hard. It could mean that between my trading plan and my ability to read MarketCipher, that I've been ready, and quite possibly the last link in my understanding was to lock in on trading specific session times. You know, I'm sitting here trading in the middle of the night, 3 a.m. It's like, what session is that? It's like the middle of London. Like, what am I doing? The beginning of these sessions. I heard traders talk about it all the time, but you know, sometimes you don't get the epiphany. You got to get that epiphany, that realization, that aha moment, that paradigm shift, folks. That paradigm shift. Now listen, we're moving to just kind of get an eyeball. 6:39. Got 3 more minutes here. She don't know when to stop. 664.50. 661. Let me back it up one. Oops. 664. Why can't I see 661? You know, it's one of those things that between the. All right, I'm only doing this to see where we're going to move our stop loss. I'm not getting out of this trade. 15 minute. Goodness gracious. There's a lot of room in that 15. Look, below our blue line. I don't even remember why I drew that. I think it was just kind of showing where we was getting some bounce here. Yeah, we was getting some support here. Resistance on the crown. This is like the bottom of the crown. I don't even know if that's a real thing. I'm kind of making it up. Look on the 1 minute. Drops below, comes back, touches our support resistance line that we drew, and it just sinks like a missile. We shorted here. So the 15, they're not letting us lock in too much, but we're gonna lock in. We'll lock in another 820. I mean, we could just take the profit right now. It's very tempting. It's very tempting. Let me look at, I mean, this is, goodness gracious, folks. 5 minute. Oh my goodness, no, is the 15 still alive? Yeah. I tell you what, folks, we can't let them have everything. We'll say, you know, if she can get back up there, she can have it. I don't think she will. But if she does, you know, so be it. So be it. Our target, for real, is here at this next spider line. I think she's got a shot. We're going to watch the 1 minute because I could change my mind real fast. 736. By change my mind, I mean based on our exit criteria is when the lower time frame starts switching on us and the 736. So this is our new stop. This was our take profit 1, and we're still in. In fact, I should probably. All right. Let me not confuse it right now. That's how we're running it. Okay. Here we go. We're watching the 1 minute. What's she gonna do? Okay. 1 minute. Starting to show that she could potentially start something to come back up. And it's NQ, and we already know how NQ gets down. When she decides to do something, I mean, she really just does it. But guys, this is what? No, I can't. I'm not the one. I'm calling bluff on the 1 minute, folks. I'm going to call bluff on the 1 minute. Okay, hold on. 3 minute. Wow. 5 minute. So five minute pretending to have some juice here. Our 15 has not clipped over. The 40 is wide open. I'm nervous, but I gotta. Oh, this is when I really would love to be trading with 3 contracts right now. Folks, give a shout out to the Bears. Can somebody give a shout out to the Bears right now? Where are we at? Where are we at? 7 a.m. 7 a.m. Let's get to 7 a.m. Okay. 7 a.m. Oh, look at that. Look at, folks. It started bouncing right. I don't know what y'all want me to say. What can I say? Folks, I am at a loss for words. I knew we could do it. Thank you, MarketCipher. Thank you, Trading Plan. Thank you, God. And last but not least, I saved that for last as the focal point. Thank you, Jesus Christ. Thank you, to all the angels that look out for me. What you are witnessing, folks, this is the origin story. I'm doing this with 2 contracts against 1 asset, 1 strategy, the MarketCipher Basic Strategy. Imagine the possibilities. That's all I got. Tune in next time when CMZ trades.